Dear students, under the aegis of Department of Higher Education Haryana, I am representing this topic name Volvox. This topic comes under the class BSc first year, second semester, and this topic is especially for the BSc medical students. So Volvo's topics comes in the subject botany also. So the class botany BSc first year, second semester topic is Volvox. Before I start the topic Volvox, I would like to introduce myself. Myself Amit, Assistant Professor on Extension at the Department of Botany, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Government College, Kathal. So these are the scientific classification of algae Volvox. So algae Volvox belong to phylum Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Chlamydomonads, family Volvocaceae, and genus Volvox. Volvox genus given by the lineage, so we denote it by the capital letter L. So the class Chlorophyceae is the important class of green algae. This class consists of around 350 plus genera and around 5,000 species found worldwide. As its name shows, it is green algae, so it has photosynthetic pigment, photosynthetic pigment, name chlorophyll and chlorophyll, especially chlorophyll A and B. Along with the chlorophyll, this class Chlorophyceae also have another pigment named as xanthophyll. Carotenes. So because of this chlorophyll abundance in this class Chlorophyceae, all the members of Chlorophyceae appear green, and when they are found in water bodies, the water bodies also look like green in color, or you can say green in texture, because of the abundance of these algae, these Chlorophyceae algae. So one another important feature of the class Chlorophyceae is that they have they have reserve food material reserve food material in the form of starch, oil drops. So and also the cell wall of Chlorophyceae is made up of cellulose. So the cell wall is made up of cellulose. These are some important feature of class Chlorophyceae. As our topic Volvox, or you can say as our algae, today's topic algae, Volvox belong to this class Chlorophyceae. So all these characters are comes in Volvox. These are the few species of the Volvox. Out of these species, like Volvox orange, Volvox globator, Volvox prolificus, they are found in the they are found in India. So these are some species. Out of these species are found in the India. So these species are found in India. Next is some important structure, or you can say where you found this algae Volvox. The volvox found in mostly in freshwater bodies like ponds or free floating water bodies like river. They mostly found in ponds, pools, water tanks, lake, or ditches, and ditches in the mostly in the rainy season. So they are abundantly found in freshwater bodies during the rainy season. Next is so in this photo you can see it is a colony of volvox known as Synovium. So Synovium is a colony with a definite number of cells and all cells are arranged in a specific fashion. So here you can see the all cells are arranged in a particular fashion. So this is known as synovium. So it is a multicellular colonial hollow ball-like structure and size is around zero point 0.5 millimeter. So it is 0.5 mm in diameter. So the synovium have large number of cells. The cell number may be vary from 500 to 40,000. And all cells are connected with one another by a cytoplasmic strand known as plasmodesmata. So here you can see it is a synovium and synovium consists of large number of small daughter colonies. So these are the daughter colonies. So the outer ring of synovium consists of a large number of cells and these cells have flagella. So in this diagram you can see these are the outer cell or you can see these are the peripheral cells of the colony volvox. These cells have two flagella and these flagella are equal size flagella and these flagella are smooth, long, thread-like and known as V plus type flagella. V plus type of flagella. These flagella are arises on the anterior end of the cell. So the cell because of the flagella show some polarity. Because of the flagella, as we know that flagella are found on the anterior end of the cell. So this end is known as anterior end and anterior end and the below region is known as below portion is known as posterior end. Next is the chlorophyll, as I told you in previous slide, the chlorophyll content found in volvox in U-shape manner. So the chlorophyll are arranged in U-shape structure like that. So here this point, this region represent the chlorophyll content of volvox. So it is U-shape. In this also the as I told you these cells are connected with one another by some cytoplasmic strand. So this is the cytoplasmic strand which connect the neighboring cells. Next is so in this diagram you can see large number of volvox cells are connected with one another by some cytoplasmic strand. So this is the cytoplasmic strand, this is the cytoplasmic strand and this is the cytoplasmic strand. And along with the cytoplasmic strand, uh, the as I told you, volvox colony is hollow, and hollow synovium is filled with some mucilaginous substance. So the wall between each cell is composed of some mucilaginous substance. So it is in this diagram, in this picture, you can say it is a large size of Volvox vegetative cell, consists of a nucleus, two flagella, and a U-shaped chlorophyll content. So this is the U-shaped structure, like that. And in this U-shaped structure, the chloroplast consists of a large number of another structure like pyrenoids, starch grains. So as I told you, the chloroplast consists of chlorophyll and perform the help in the photosynthesis. The pyrenoids is another important structure found in the Volvox. Pyrenoids is a protein body and involved in the carbon fixation and starch formation. So pyrenoids found in the chloroplast of Volvox. So it is found in the chloroplast of Volvox and help in the, and what is the function of pyrenoids is that it help in the carbon fixation and starch formation. Starch formation, which is the starch is the reserve food, or you can say food of this green algae, or you can say food of Volvox. So along with these organelles, some another structure found in the vegetative cell of the Volvox, like mitochondria. As you told, mitochondria from the function of ATP formation. Also, it consists of a plasma membrane and a cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. And another important point, another important structure found in the Volvox vegetative cell is known as eye spot. Eye spot is a light sensitive organ, or you can say light sensitive structure found in Volvox and help in the movement of Volvox toward the light. So it is a light sensitive, it is a light sensitive structure, or you can say light sensitive organelles help in the movement of Volvox towards the light. Next is flagella. Flagella is V+ type, as I told you in previous slide. Flagella is V+ type, and because of the flagella, these flagella are rises at the anterior end of the vegetative cell of Volvox. These flagella help in the movement of synovium, or you can say movement of whole colony of Volvox, and the movement is look like rolling. The movement type is rolling. So because of this rolling motion, rolling moment, this algae is also known as rolling alga. Rolling alga. So next is in this diagram, the Volvox showing its daughter colony. So it is Volvox synovium, and in Volvox synovium, large number of cell, as you see in this diagram. So this is the one cell, this is the another cell. So like that, these cells are connected with one another by some cytoplasmic strand, and also the Volvox reproduced by asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So by reproduce, or you can say by the reproduction, each synovium developed new colony known as daughter colony. So these are newly formed colony of Volvox known as daughter colony. Daughter colony are formed when some peripheral cells are lose their flagella and embedded inside the hollow cavity. So some cell of the posterior half push back into the hollow cavity and they lose their flagella. So what happen here? Some cell like this cell or this cell, it may be 5 to 20 in one time. So these cells may lose their flagella and become pushed inside the hollow cavity of synovium. So they are look like that. Suppose these are the outer cell of synovium consist of two flagella. This is the nuclei. Out of these cells, few cells become pushed inside the hollow cavity. So these are suppose cell number. So this cell pushed inside and lose their flagella. So these are the remaining cells of Volvox. So one cell become pushed inside and lose their flagella and become enlarged in size. So this enlarged size cell is known as gonidia. Gonidia, or you can say gonadial initial cell. Gonadial initial cell. This gonadial initial cell divided by longitudinal division and form two cell. So here the two cell are formed from one cell, look like that. After the two cell, next division and form four cell and 4 to 8 cell, and the 8 cells are arranged in a 8 cell structure. So I draw here the 8 cell structure like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. So the 8 cell structure here is known as plaquia. 8 cell structure, or you can say 8 cell stage in formed during the asexual reproduction of Volvox is known as plaquia. After that, these 8 cells are again divided and form a 16 cell structure. So they are form a new structure of 16 cell, look like that. And these 16 cell structure are arranged in a U-shaped manner. So suppose these are the 16 cell and arranged in a U-shaped structure. At this point, at this stage, a small pore, or you can say small chamber, is formed at the tip of newly formed cell, and this point or this pore like structure is known as phyllopore. So this point, this structure is known as phyllopore. After the 16 cell stage, some cytoplasmic pressure are created at the bottom of this U-shaped structure and pushed these cells upward side. So here some cytoplasmic pressure are created and push these cells upward side. So this structure become inverted. So this structure become, so these 16 cell stages which are look like that, or you can say these are in U-shaped structure. Some cytoplasmic pressure are created here. So this is the 16 cell stage. After that, some cytoplasmic pressure are inserted here. So these cells are inverted. So initially it's look like, so initially it's look like that, or you can say some W-shaped structure formed, and ultimately, so here is the cytoplasmic pressure are created. So ultimately, initially these cells are look like, so these are the cell look like that, and ultimately these cells become completely inverted. So we can see these cells are now look like arranged in inverted U-shaped structure like that. So here these cells are look like that. So each cell is now similar to the, as I told you in previous slide. So each cell have this tip region have flagella. So this tip region have flagella here look like that. And these flagella and these 16 cell stage at after the inversion, it become escape from the mother colony, or when the mother colony is become decay. So this colony, this newly formed colony is known as daughter colony, and this daughter colony is escaped from the mother colony, and after the escaping it released into the water and developed newly formed Volvox colony similar to this one. Hope you understand how the asexual reproduction takes place in the Volvox. So in this diagram also, if you see the diagram, uh, also this photo represent the formation of antheridia, which is a act of sexual reproduction, which is a part of sexual reproduction. So in this diagram, as you see, one large cell, one peripheral cell of Volvox colony become pushed inward and enlarged in size, as similar to the asexual reproduction. It become enlarged and divided by some longitudinal division, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 8, and the 8 cell structure is known as Plechia. So this is the 8 cell structure known as Plechia. After the 8 cells, 16 cell structure are formed look like that, and after the 16 cell stage is formed, these all cells are arranged in a U-shaped structure, and after that some cytoplasmic pressure are created here and they become inverted look like that. After the inversion, this newly formed, they are jointed here, and this newly formed colony are escape out from this pore and developed a new Volvox colony. So all the stages are same in the formation of also same in the formation of antheridia, which is a male organ of Volvox and help in the uh, fertilization. So next is we will discuss about how the sexual reproduction take place in Volvox. How the sexual reproduction take place in Volvox. So the sexual reproduction in the Volvox is oogamous type. First of all, the sexual reproduction is oogamous type. So in oogamous type means The female sex organ is known as oogonium, which is large and non-motile. So female sex organ is large, साइज में क्या होगा, लार्ज होगा, and non-motile. So in this diagram you can see how the oogonium, or you can say how the egg is formed in the volvox. It is similar to the it is formed by some peripheral cells which are pushed inside, lose their flagella and become enlarged in size. This enlarged structure function as a oogonium, and oogonium have its egg. So this is the egg of oogonium. And next is the formation of anthrozoids. So formation of antheridia, or you can say, are the male reproductive organ in the volvox, are formed similar to the similar are formed similar like asexual reproduction. But here some difference, like in asexual reproduction, the enlarged size we called it gonadial initial cell, but here we called it antheridial initial cell. In formation of antheridia, we called it antheridial initial cell. So in antheridial initial cell become enlarged in size, and after the losing its flagella, it become divided by longitudinal division, and after the one division it become two cell. First division form two cell, second division it form four cell, and third division it form eight cell. After the eight cell, it become 8 to 16 cell, 32 cell, 64 cell, and up to 128 cell. So here is the another difference. In formation of antheridia, there are large number of division, mitotic division, and the cell number is up to 128 or more. So these structure are formed again a U-shaped structure, and similar the inversion is take place, and the all antheridia are developed. These antheridia are small, have a nucleus and two flagella, and after the formation of these anthrozoids, they are liberated one by one from here. So they are liberated one by one from the opening of this structure. So each anthrozoids are liberated into the water, and by the agency of water, they reach to the egg, or you can say they reach to toward the oogonium. So here they are enter into the oogonium chamber. So these are the anthrozoids, as you see in this photo. These are the anthrozoids. They are encircle the oogonium, and after that one of the anthrozoids is fertilized with the oogonium, or you can fuse with the oogonium, and form the zygote. After that, after the zygote formation, the zygote is as we know that it is formed by the 2n, by the n plus n, means n's are 1n come from the antheridia and 1n come from the egg. It is zygote is 2n structure, or you can say it is a diploid structure. So after the formation of zygote, it developed a thick protective cover around itself and undergo some resting period. After that, the zygote divided by the meiosis and form two cells. So here is the zygote in the A diagram. Here is the zygote consists of a diploid nuclei. So it is consist of 2n, or you can say diploid nuclei. This diploid nuclei divided by the meiosis and form two nuclei, or you can say two cell, look like that. And after that large number of after that large number of so so the zygote is also consist of three layer, or you can say three layer of structure known as first one exospore, the outer one, outer structure, or outer ring structure of zygote is known as exospore. Middle ring is known as mesospore, and innermost ring is known as endospore. After the meiosis formation, after the meiosis, it form two cell to four cell. Ultimately, it form four cell structure. After the formation of after the meiosis complete, it form four cell, and each cell is initially are jointed with one another, and this newly formed cell is known as mesozoospore. So these are mesozoospore, and after that mesozoospore developed into synobium. You can say in diagram L, it developed mesozoospore developed similar to the asexual reproduction. So here one cell divided by the mitosis into the two cell longitudinal division to two cell to four cell to 8, and 8 to 16. After the 16 cell stage, similar to the asexual reproduction, the inversion is take place. So here is the cytoplasmic pressure and some inversion is take place, and after the complete of inversion, the newly formed the synovium is formed. So after that, these are the outer ring cells. After that, more cells are developed and a new synovium is formed. So this is the newly formed colony of volvox. So it is the life cycle. So here is the synovium. N means it is a haploid synovium. When it proceeds through the asexual reproduction, it form some cell are enlarged in size and known as gonadial initial cell. So this is the gonadial initial cell divided by the longitudinal division formed the two cell. After the second division, it formed four cell. After that, 8 cell known as placia. After the 8 cell, next division and form 16 cell stage. After the 16 cell stage, there is an inversion, and a new synovium is developed. During the sexual reproduction, so here is the sexual reproduction. Some cell of the outer ring of synovium are pushed inside and function as the gonadial initial cell, or you can say, sorry, some cells are function as the antheridial initial cell, and some cell function as the oogonium. Antheridial initial cells formed anthrozoids similar to the asexual reproduction, and oogonium developed the egg. After that, antheridia are, or you can say anthrozoids are liberated from here, and by the agency of water they reach toward the oogonium, and also oogonium release some chemical substance to attract the anthrozoids. After that, anthrozoids are fused with the oogonium and form zygote. After that, after the formation of zygote developed three layer of structure known as exospore, endospore, and mesospore. After that, it undergo meiosis and form four cell known as mesozoospore. So these are the four mesozoospore, and each mesozoospore developed a new synovium by its development. And the development is similar to the asexual reproduction. So here you can say mesozoospore divided by the longitudinal division, and after the 2 cell it will divide into the 4, 4 to 8 and 8 to 16. After the 16 the inversion will take place and form newly formed colony or newly formed synovium. So these are the multiple choice question regarding the topic volvox. In the first question you have to answer what is synovium. So option A, synovium is a group of filament. Option B is a palmoid form. Option C is a hollow spherical colony, and option D none of the above. In question number 2, you have to answer the algae with motile colony is called nostoc, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, or D option Volvox. In question number 3, you have to answer in chlorophyta, the structure of proteins and starch reserve is known as option A pyrenoids, option B isport, option C volutin, and option D paramylum. In question number 4, the Volvox and Chlamydomonas are similar because they have option A belong to chlorophyta, both are motile, option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. In question 5, the Volvox belong to which class? You have to name the class of the Volvox. So option A, Chlorophyceae, option B, Phaeophyceae, option C, Rhodophyceae, and option D, Chrysophyceae. In question number 6, the chloroplast present in the Volvox is which shape? So option A is cup shape. The chloroplast present in the Volvox is a ribbon shape, or it is a girdle shape, or it is a star shape. So in question number 6, you have to answer the which shape of chloroplast present in the Volvox. In question number 7, sexual reproduction takes place in Volvox by isogamous formation, anisogamous formation, oogamous, या फिर none of the above. In question number 8, you have to find the incorrect statement. So out of these 4, which statement is incorrect? So option A, laminaria is flattened, leaf-like thallus, volvox, colonial, non-flagellated, chlorella, unicellular, non-flagellated. Option D, chlamydomonas, unicellular, flagellated. So which option is incorrect? You have to answer. In question number 9, the chlorophyll pigment present in the volvox. Which chlorophyll pigment present in the volvox you have to answer. So option A chlorophyll A, option B chlorophyll B, option C chlorophyll E, and option D A and B. In question number 10, find out the incorrect statement about the volvox. You have to answer which statement is incorrect. So option A, sexual reproduction take place is oogamous type. Option B, true coelom and no metamerism. Option C, somatic cells are non-flagellated, and option D, phytotaxis moment is present. So which statement is incorrect regarding the volvox? You have to answer out of these 4. So finally, the topic volvox is complete here. Hope all of you understand. Thank you for the listening.